DJI's platforms are known for being some of the most robust, reliable platforms in the industry space. This new integration enables a much simpler, much more efficient workflows that are really going to change things for drone service providers out there.
If you look at the timeline from mobile SDK to onboard SDK, payload SDK, which is the next phase of development for us. Now they're letting us integrate our own sensors into their platform, which is amazing. Customers can take advantage of what we built, and they can allocate the same sensor across all of their drones. It saves us time. We don't have to hack something. Now it actually works together with their platform.
The diversity of data needs in agriculture is immense. And what we are trying to do is really satisfy that diversity of information needs across different crop types. And that's really what this platform helps us do.
Having access to control the payloads directly enables us to actually do that automation instead of making it manual or having the pilot take steps or working things into the mobile app. There's nothing that helps us get closer to our customers than DJI opening up these platforms.
Prior to this payload, the operator had to monitor flashing lights on board the aircraft to understand if the sensor is operating properly.
It was a pain in the beginning. It was very, very confusing what you're supposed to do. You know, you got your little piece of paper, you're reading off like, okay, well, these are what the LED lights mean, and then you're sitting there over the drone waiting for it.
This direct link to the payload from the operator's interface, we can just send direct messages from the sensor to the operator so they know exactly what's happening.
Having the new program that's going to allow us to fly over more acreage will allow us to get complete images of some of these larger ranches that we just weren't able to do before.
This is all about being efficient. It's going to change the farming industry.
It moves us from having to figure out these really hard components that DJI just does really, really well, to focusing on developing functionality specifically to an industry. They're handling the heavy-duty complexities of building a flight controller. We're building what connects that UAV and the data to the customer.
Mapping the world with robots is a really amazing and inspiring idea. Everybody benefits from having this information, and we're going to see this helping out autonomous vehicles, agriculture, mining. We're going to see it helping construction. If we can bring down the cost of building things, that affects the entire world. Everyone benefits from that.